Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to hide your caller ID when you're calling someone, okay? So basically, gonna be an anonymous caller. So first things first, hop on the settings right there, and this is actually important, guys. Please follow this step before proceeding on the video. Hop on General tab right there and click on Software Update. Now with this one, make sure that you're seeing this message. iOS is up to date on your end. It doesn't really matter what kind of iOS you have, iOS 16.6 or iOS 16.6.1 on my end. Now, please take note that this method also is only available for I think iOS 15 and above or for different carrier services. But the more part is, please make sure you update it, okay? Now, once you're done updating your phone, finishing everything that's any pending update, go back to settings. There should be the landing page, right? And just look for the phone icon or the calling settings. So it should be this one, phone settings right there. Now, for some instance, if you can't find this settings of phone, on the very top part, there's a search bar. Type in phone, okay? Then click on the phone settings and you should see this option right here, show my caller ID. So basically that's why I said that it's important to update your version or your OS because there's a chance that you might not see this option on your end. It differs from phone to phone, it differs from caller to caller. Now, if you wanna make sure you see this one, please update that one. And once you're here, click on it and you'll see this option. Basically, just hide your caller ID right there and you're good to go, okay? Basically, that's how you do it. And that's how you hide your caller ID on your iPhone. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.